What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin versus Ethereum, which one of these two coins you should invest in, and in general, if you should invest in crypto. So let's get started and talk about these two cryptocurrencies. So firstly, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a really popular cryptocurrency. It was one of the first cryptocurrencies that got out on the market, which was around 2013, and that made cryptocurrency really popular. Some positive aspects of Bitcoin are that you are able to mine it. If you have a specific mining machine or a good computer in general with a good graphics card, you'll be able to mine Bitcoin coins. As I said before, it's one of the original cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrencies are popular today because of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was the one who started it all. So another thing about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin records transaction in the blockchain. The blockchain is an online ledger that is secured. And one positive thing about the blockchain is that it keeps every transaction anonymously, meaning that it won't show your name, your address, or not anything specifically to you, but it will only show you the address where the buyer paid and where the seller got paid. So it will only show those two wallets, which is really great for people because they really like being anonymous. And then also, Bitcoin is a really popular crypto. If you're talking to someone on the street or wherever, it's really likely that they've heard of Bitcoin before because it has become really quite popular. Even though people might not know how it specifically works, people still know the name of it and where it comes from. So that's one good thing about it too. And I think that it is still very early to invest in cryptocurrencies. You might say that, oh, it's not really early. It's been going, Bitcoin's been going for 8 years. The price is at $40,000. But think about this. How many people do you know invest in stock markets? Literally everybody, right? So, and they invest in day-to-day basis, whether that's trading a lot or just a little bit, just for investment purposes. Now think of it, cryptocurrencies. How many people do you think invest in cryptocurrencies? It's not really as much as investing because people are still afraid of it, or they're really hesitant of it because they might not fully understand on how it works. So that's why I think that it is still very early to invest in cryptocurrencies. And as we have seen with the latest updates on the metaverse games and crypto games, it's going to go even higher. So that's why I think it's really a good time to invest in cryptocurrencies now. Okay, so now we're on the Ethereum slide. Ethereum is a little bit different than Bitcoin as it's not really a coin or a cryptocurrency. Let me explain more. Ethereum is more as a platform rather than an actual coin or a cryptocurrency. And what I mean by that is, think of it your day-to-day smartphone. It runs on an Android or an iOS software. That software would technically be Ethereum, and all the apps and the games that you have on your phone would be the smaller crypto games and metaverses that are based on the Ethereum platform. So that's why I think it's not really a coin, it's more as a platform. Whereas Bitcoin is really a coin. It has its own blockchain and you can only mine it, buy it, and sell it, and that's really it. There's nothing really based on Bitcoin. So that's why Ethereum and Bitcoin differ a little bit from each other. And one positive thing about Ethereum is that there's a lot of possibilities for expansion. As we've seen with new crypto games, metaverses, they all are based on the Ethereum platform. I think that the Ethereum platform will expand even more and it will be the main platform where everybody in the metaverse will be. Because every single game and metaverse is really based on the Ethereum. And I think Ethereum is going to go on top. And the last point that I wanted to make, which is an important note that you guys might not know, is that the maximum number of bitcoins that's going to enter circulation in 1 year is 21 million, and it's capped. So you cannot go higher. That's how many bitcoins will be in circulation in 1 year. However, with Ethereum, it's unlimited. You can mine as much as you want, but now note that the Ethereum blocks takes a little bit more time to mine than Bitcoin's node, so it has a slower speed. But nonetheless, it's unlimited. You can mine as much Ethereum as you want. So that's another aspect that you can see. So now let's jump into the conclusion. And I'll give my opinion in the conclusion too. So because Metaverse is getting more popular and news and meta apps and crypto games are being created day by day on the Ethereum blockchain, if you want to see some popular games and metaverses that are based on the Ethereum, blockchain. I have posted some videos before. You can check on the right corner. I have my playlist there. You can go and check all the popular crypto games, metaverses that I've made a video about to learn more information about that. So because of that, I would highly suggest investing in Ethereum because everything is really based on the Ethereum platform nowadays. You know, metaverses, the crypto games like X Infinity, Metaland that I've talked about in the previous videos. Everything is really based on the Ethereum blockchain nowadays. But even though you should really invest in Ethereum to make the most profit, Bitcoin is not really a bad option either to invest. But to make the most money and for a brighter future for your portfolio, I would suggest investing in the Ethereum blockchain. And lastly, one positive note about Ethereum is that the price for Ethereum is about $3,000, 3,500, give or take, and the price for Bitcoin is 40,000. So you can look at it that way too. But yeah, this was just my opinion on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I would suggest investing in Ethereum. If you guys have any questions about Bitcoin or Ethereum, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.